Water, you've got to drink so much water. And even for the heat, but Zante Cough, you need to like push the mucus down. Don't sleep with your aircon on anymore. I had everything last year. Zante Cough, tonsillitis, UTIs, everything. If I didn't have insurance, it would have cost an absolute arm and a leg because I had like 3 rounds of tonsillitis and 5 water infections. So every time without insurance, that's like £250 for antibiotics. So you've got to go to a medical centre on the strip. If they think it's bad enough, then they'll take you to the hospital on like the road a little.